Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So in last video we discussed about the basics of stock market, and there we identified what is the stock market and what is the stock. So in this video I hope to talk with you about why should you invest money in the stock market. Here I will express you simply what are the reasons that why you are invest money on the stock market. So let's see why you should invest money on the stock market and what kind of benefit you have when you invest in the stock market. Number 1, capital gain. If you are invest money on the stock market, you can receive that capital gain. So firstly, let's see what is capital gain. So capital gain means difference between stock buying price and stock selling price. If you could have sell your stock with higher price than you bought, then your selling price is higher than buying price. Then you have some profit, and that margin or profit called capital gain. So let's study about capital gain using example. Think you buy a stock for 10 rupees and you sell same stock for 15 rupees. Then you have 5 rupee margin. So that margin or profit called capital gain. Number 2, dividend. If you invest on stock market, then you can receive a portion of company's profit. Basically, dividend means when company gain profit, then they paid certain percentage of profit for the company stockholders. This dividend can offer by annually, quarterly or monthly. But dividend payment is not a necessary thing to company. If company have profit and they have decided to offer dividend to the stakeholders, then you can have dividend payment as an advantage of stock market. Number 3, right issues. When you invest money on the stock market, then you can get special privilege from the company for already bought stocks. Basically, right issue means issuing of stocks under discounted rate to existing shareholders at a certain ratio. As an example, let's think you have 100 stocks of quantity of ABC company and market price under 150 rupees. So ABC company has decided about the right issue under 10:1 ratio with 100 rupees per share. So let's find how many shares you can buy under right issue. Now you have already 100 stocks and under right issue, then you can have to buy additional 10 shares at a discounted price of 100 rupees. That is another big opportunity to increase share quantity under discounted price. So I think clearly you got it. And basically right issue means issuing shares to existing shareholders under discounted price. Number 4, bonus stock issue. If you invest in companies that are registered under the stock market, then you have the right to claim for bonus stock issuing. So bonus stock issue means issuing free stock to the existing shareholders at a certain ratio. So that share also offers to existing shareholders like right issue. When right issue, company issues stocks under lower price or discounted price. But when bonus stock issuing, company public stock under no price. That means free stock issuing. Number 5, tax free. When you are an investor on the stock market, then you have to try to get tax redemption. So do you know what is the mean of tax free or tax redemption? That means when you earn capital gain in the stock market, that amount of profit, otherwise capital gain, is released from the tax policies. So why they are giving tax redemption for capital gain? One of reason is attract more investors to the stock market. Most of world rich investors use this advantage to get tax redemption. But potential investors, if not general public, doesn't know that point and they fear to enter the stock market. If you enter the stock market, you can get more and more advantage from the stock market to increase your wealth. In today's video, we talked about why we should come to the stock market. And also in a previous video, we talked about some of the basics of the stock market. And also, we bring to you more and more videos like this. So please subscribe our channel for connecting with us smoothly and stay tuned with us.